Welcome back. If you want to check all the info centers you follow on Facebook using a PC, this new update makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find them quickly on Facebook Web. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. When that section opens, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of different actions and activity tied to your account. It may look a little hidden at first, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Inside the activity log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This area organizes your account activity into different categories, making it easier to find what you need. Now click on Pages. After that, enter to Followed Info Centers. Once you open Followed Info Centers, you'll be able to see the pages and info centers you currently follow on Facebook. This is useful if you want to review your follows, manage your interests, or simply check what content you've subscribed to over time. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to scroll through the activity log carefully, because Facebook sometimes places these features in slightly different spots after an update. But once you know the path, it becomes easy to find again. So again, the full path is open Facebook Web, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, choose your Facebook activity, click Pages, and then select Followed Info Centers. And that's it. Now you know how to find all your followed info centers on Facebook Web on PC with the new update. If this helped, make sure to save it for later so you can come back to it anytime you need.